Hello friends, welcome to English Grammar Lessons. Today we are going to learn about reported speech or direct and indirect speech. So let's get started. What is direct speech? The actual words of the speaker are quoted as they are without any change. The exact words of speaker are enclosed in inverted comma. Let's take one example. Ravi said, I am very busy. This is direct speech. Here you can see the quotation mark around the sentence I am very busy. Said is reporting verb here and I am very busy is the reported speech. We can do one more example. He said, I am unwell. This is direct speech as words are as they without any modification. I hope it's clear. Now let's understand what is indirect speech. It is actual words of the speaker are transformed. It is said or written in a simple language. There is no comma after said and the inverted commas are removed. Let's take the example that we saw in the direct speech. Ravi said, I am very busy. Now, converting this to indirect speech, it becomes Ravi said that he was very busy. Now, what are the changes that you can identify here? First one is removal of inverted comma. Second one is change of tense. You can see present became past tense. Third one is the use of conjunction that. Let's look into another example that we saw earlier once again. He said, I am unwell. Converting this to indirect speech, it will become he said that he was unwell. What are the changes you can identify here while converting from direct to indirect speech? Here also, first one is removal of inverted comma, second one is the change of tense, and the third one is use of conjunction that. I hope it is clear. Now let's understand the steps to convert a direct speech to indirect speech. There are 6 steps. First one is identify. Second one is change of reporting verb. Third one is replace inverted comma with that. Fourth one is change of pronoun. Fifth one is change of tense. And the final step is update time specific words. First step is identify. This is the most important step. You need to identify 5 things here. Subject, object, reporting verb, first person, second person and third person and tense of the reported speech. The second step is change of reporting verb. Reporting verb will change in the following way. Said to will be converted to told. Said will be converted to said. Say to will be converted to tell and says to will be converted to tells. This is the second step. The third step is to replace inverted comma with that. We will remove the inverted comma and comma in the sentence and join the reported speech with that. The fourth step is change of pronoun. First person will be decided as per subject. Second person will be decided as per object. And third person will remain unchanged. The fifth step is change of tense. For present tense, simple present will be converted to simple past. Present continuous will be converted to past continuous. Present perfect will be converted to past perfect. present perfect continuous tense will be converted to past perfect continuous tense. For past tenses, simple past will be converted to past perfect. Past continuous will be converted to past perfect continuous. And past perfect continuous tense won't change. For future tenses, will or shall used in the sentences will be replaced by would or should. Can or may in the sentences will be converted to could or might. Now let's look into the final step. Update time specific words. Here will be converted to there. Tomorrow will be converted to the next day. Today will be converted to that day. Yesterday will be converted to the previous day. This will be converted to that. Now will be converted to then. Tonight will be converted to that night. This is the 6-step formula to convert any direct speech to indirect speech for a statement. Now let's look examples to understand these 6 points. She said to me, I am playing football with you now. This is in direct speech. Let's change into indirect speech. First step is identification. Here subject is she, object is me, reporting verb is said to. I is first person, you is second person. As said to is in past form, we need to check the tense of the reported speech. Currently, the sentence is in present continuous tense. Second step is the change of reporting verb. Here, said to will become told. Third step is to replace the inverted comma with that. Fourth step is change of pronoun. Here I is first person, subject is she, so I will change to she, and you is the second person and object is me. So you will be converted to me. Fifth step is change of tense. Here the tense is in present continuous, so it gets converted to past continuous. In this case, am playing will be converted to was playing. The sixth step is change of words denoting time. Here the word now indicates nearness. It will be converting to then, which is showing distance. The final outcome is indirect speech, which is she told me that she was playing football with me then. Let's take few more examples. Ram said Sham, I started a new job. Here Ram is subject, said is reporting verb, Sham is object, I is first person singular, and this sentence is in simple past tense. So it gets converted to past perfect tense. So the answer is Ram said Sham that he had started a new job. Let's go to the next example. They said we will plan a picnic tomorrow. Here they is subject, said is reporting verb, we is first person plural, and this sentence is in simple future tense. So the answer is they said that they would plan a picnic the next day.